Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a social insurance number. This unique 9-digit number is essential for working in Canada and accessing various government programs and benefits. Whether you are a Canadian citizen, a permanent resident, or a temporary resident, understanding this process is key. The good news is there is no fee to apply for your social insurance number, making it accessible for everyone who qualifies. To apply for your social insurance number, you will need to gather a few key documents. First, a primary document is required to prove your identity and legal status in Canada, such as a birth certificate or immigration document. Next, a secondary document like a valid passport or a provincial identification card will confirm your identity. If your name varies on any of these documents, a supporting document like a marriage certificate will also be necessary. Remember, all documents must be original. Photocopies are not accepted. There are 3 convenient ways to apply for your social insurance number. You can apply online through the Secure Service Canada ESIN portal, uploading clear digital copies of your documents. For immediate processing, visit a Service Canada center in person with all your original documents. Alternatively, you can apply by mail, sending your completed application form and original documents to the Social Insurance Registration Office. Choose the method that best suits your needs and circumstances. Once your application is submitted, the waiting period varies by method. If you apply in person, you will usually receive your social insurance number immediately. Online applications are processed within 5 business days, and you will receive a confirmation letter by mail within 10 business days. For mail applications, expect processing within 20 business days, with your letter arriving shortly after. Always protect your social insurance number. It is a crucial piece of identification, so keep it safe and do not carry it in your wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.